Every year, thousands of homeowners deal with yard erosion. But there's a simple, often overlooked solution: the fence. Erosion is when natural forces like rain, wind, or gravity slowly move the top layer of soil. Over time, this weakens your landscape, exposes roots, and can even threaten your foundation or retaining walls. A properly placed fence isn't just a boundary, it's a barrier against erosion. Fences slow the speed of rainwater running downhill, forcing it to seep into the soil rather than washing it away. They also act as windbreaks that prevent the drying and stripping of topsoil. When combined with proper drainage and landscaping, a fence becomes part of a powerful erosion control system. Not all fences work the same. For erosion control, you want fences that let water through gently or support landscape structures. Here are the top choices. Wooden slat fences. Great for sloped yards. They break water flow while allowing drainage. Vinyl picket fences, durable and low maintenance. Good for combining with ground cover. Chain link fences with privacy slats. Let air and some water through, but block heavy winds. Living fences. A combination of shrubs and mesh or wood that holds the earth and supports biodiversity. Placement matters just as much as the type. Pairing fences with drainage paths and native plants can drastically improve performance. To maximize results, combine your fence with these erosion solutions. Quick warning. Here are common mistakes that make erosion worse. Erosion might seem like a slow problem until it causes real damage. But with the right fence, smart placement, and a few landscape tweaks, you can stop it in its tracks. Want a fence that's built to protect and last? Visit kaonfenceinc.com or call 781-767-3596 to get expert help with erosion control fencing today.